Now you take the box command, and then at the command you type 0, 0, at the command window 0, 0, 0. Box 0, 0, 0, then enter. So that's the starting point. It is starting from the origin. Now you have the options of keyboard length. So you choose option of length. So that will be L, enter. And now we're choosing a length of 100, 1, 0, 0, enter. And then the breadth is 64. I mean, that's the width. So 64 is already there. So you press enter. While the height is 50. So you type 50 and then enter. So now you press your box command again. And then take a starting point of 0, 0, 20. And then enter. Now ensure your auto mode is on. Since your auto mode is on, also ensure that your dynamic input is off. So now specify the length. You have option of keyboard length. So you choose a length. Let's take a length of, since we are choosing length, you type L, enter. And then now let's take a length of 70. We have 70 and then enter. And then the width is 64. 64 is already there. You type, we press enter. While the height is 30. So now you type 30 and then enter. So now you can see, if you want to change the view, you can come here, go to view, you go to your visual styles, and then you have options of 2D wireframe, realistic, conceptual. You can click on conceptual. You can see that the view has changed. So now we can decide to subtract this. So we want to subtract this small box out of this bigger box. So all you just need to do is you go to your subtract command. This is your subtract command, or you type SU, enter. Then you now click the larger box. You left click on it, and then you right click outside it. Now you now click on the smaller box that you want to subtract. You left click on it, and then you right click outside it. And that is the subtract command. So now the next command, the next icon will now move. We take the wedge. No, we take the box command again. We click on box. And at the starting point, we are using a starting point of 0, 0, 10. And then enter. So now we have option of cube or length. Now the option we are using is length. So we type L, enter. Now what's the length? The length this time around is 70. So we type 70, 70 is already there. So we press enter. And then the width is 27. So you type 27 and then enter. While the height is 10, type 10 and then enter. So now that is it. So you now take your subtract command, SU, enter. So now you want to subtract this smaller one from this larger one. So you press left click on the larger one, and then you right click outside. You now left click on the smaller one that you want to subtract, and then you right click outside. And that is it. That is your subtract command. So now you now take your wedge command. So all you need to do is, this is all you need to do for your wedge command, you can see it here, wedge. You can click on it, or you can type at the command window, type WE, enter. Now the wedge at the command window is asking you to specify the first corner. So we are using the first corner of, at the command window, you now type 70, 27, 20, and then enter. So now that is where we are starting from. So now it says cube or length option. Now let's go with the length option. So that will be L and then enter. So that will be L and then enter. So now what is the length? Let's choose a length of 70. If we are choosing a length of 70, we can either go like this or we go like this. So we want it to come this way. So we'll move our cursor to this side and then we'll type 70 and then enter. So now we are also choosing a width of 10. So let's choose a width of 10. So it can either go this way or go this way. So we want it to go this way. So move our cursor to this side. So you type 10, 10, and then enter. And then now we need a height. The height of the word, we need it to be 30. So you can either go this way or go this way. But we want it to go this way. So we'll now move the cursor to this side and then type 30 and then enter. So now you can see it. This is the block we're trying to design and we've produced it. So but you can see that it has some lines here to separate this. It looks as if there are different parts that have been joined together. So we need to use the union command. You can see this is the union command. So you left click on the union command and then highlight everything. By the time you highlight everything, it means you are turning this into a single block, not a block with several parts or a single block. After you left click on, you now right click outside. So you can see this has turned into a single block. So you can change the view. You can come here, view, you come to visual styles, and then go to 2D wireframe. So any view you want. So this is it. But if you don't want to use this view, you can still come back here and then come to 3D view. Come to visual styles, and then you go to your conceptual. That is it.